One of the very first questions you have to tackle when you start a business is how often should you pay your employees? And rightfully so, it is an important question. Because they work hard for the success of your business, they deserve to be paid on time. Here are a few things to help you opt for right payroll frequency of your business. If you have employees on low wages, they're likely to prefer being paid on a weekly basis to better cope with their financial circumstances. The payroll period also depends upon the cash flow of your business. Your business's payroll also has to satisfy the laws of your relevant state. If you still can't decide or require any type of help with payroll processing operations, reach out to A&B Accounting and Business Solutions. We provide complete accounting solutions for small and medium-sized businesses all over the nation. Contact us for more details. 954-596-9966. www.myabaccounting.com